In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve common issues you might encounter when trying to upload files to Google Drive. Whether you're working on a crucial project or simply backing up memories, dealing with upload failures can be frustrating. So let's go through some practical steps to get your files uploading smoothly again. First, let's start by checking your storage space. Head over to your Google Drive account and take a look at how much storage you've used. If you're getting close to your storage limit, you might find uploads are being restricted or fail altogether. Consider removing some unnecessary files or moving them to another storage location. If you're using a free plan and consistently need more space, it might be worth upgrading to a paid plan to avoid running into this issue repeatedly. Next, ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can significantly impact your ability to upload files successfully. If you notice that your uploads are stalling, try alternating between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if this resolves the issue. Sometimes, restarting your router or switching to a different network can also prove effective. Now, let's examine the specifics of the file you're trying to upload. Make sure it doesn't exceed Google Drive's file size limit, which is currently up to 5 terabytes for most accounts. Double-check the naming of your file, too. File names that contain special or invalid characters, like less than, greater than, or question marks, can cause issues. If these are present, rename the file to remove them. If your file is particularly large, consider compressing it or breaking it into smaller parts to ease the upload process. If you're using a desktop browser, clearing your browser cache and cookies can often help resolve upload problems. Alternatively, try using an incognito or private window to see if it bypasses whatever is causing the stall. For those using the mobile app, clearing the app's cache or even reinstalling the app can help restore its functionality. Another aspect to check is your upload settings or possible restrictions. On the mobile app, make sure that you haven't enabled the transfer files only over Wi-Fi option if you're attempting to upload using mobile data. Additionally, for those using the Drive Sync client on a desktop, inspect the bandwidth settings to ensure your upload speed isn't unintentionally limited. Be sure to also consider any antivirus software, firewalls, or browser extensions you might be running. Temporarily disabling these, while being cautious about security, can help determine if they're interfering with your uploads. Trying a different browser entirely might also reveal if the problem is browser-specific. Finally, if none of these solutions work, try uploading your file from a different device to see if it's an issue with your current device. This step can help isolate whether the problem is with your machine or something else entirely. By following these steps methodically, you should be able to identify and fix the issues preventing your files from uploading to Google Drive. Good luck!